do a quick video on this 2019 Flagstaff Classic. It weighs about 9,700 empty. It grosses out at 11.5. It's got 3 slides, auto level, slide toppers over all the slides. Got a carrying rack on the back. It's got a new roof that was put on less than a year ago. It's got a brand new rear AC. We just put on there not even a month ago. It's got awnings on this slide and a main awning here. It's got pass-through storage on the front. Comes with a grill. All that storage in there. And then of course you've also got storage up here in the front. And there's actually a tripod that hooks onto the front tongue to stabilize it up there also. I don't think he ever used it because you really don't need it with auto level. Let's go inside. Of course, it's got the nice more ride steps on it. We've got it nice and cool in here. Okay. Of course, it's got TV, fireplace, radio, table and chairs, 2 air conditioners, 50 amp. It's got 3 fantastic vents on it. One there, one in the kitchen and one in the bathroom. Here's the lounge chairs. This one's peeling just a little bit. The other one's fine. Couch is good, makes a bed, it's a tri-fold couch. It's got day-night shades on it. So you got that during the day. And of course you got night. It's got a large 4-door Dometic refrigerator, big oven, microwave, island kitchen. It's actually an 8529 IKBS, which stands for the island kitchen. Lots of storage in that kitchen. Upper, lower, nice. And of course there's some underneath the sink also. There's pictures in the website that show all that too. 50 amp service. It's got touchpad control for tanks and all different items in the trailer. There's another one of those fantastic vents. And here's the bathroom, which has a shower surround. Storage in here for towels and linens. Nice shower head. China bowl toilet. Another vent. It's double ducted, so you got 4 ducts just in here in the bedroom. It's got a king size bed. And it's got this dresser, TV in the bedroom, washer and dryer ready. It's got hanging in here too with a couple of drawers in there. It does have a vacuum cleaner also at the lower step. But you come see it. Quality RV Sales and Service, Nacogdoches.